It's a way to clap. How you doing? Good. How you doing? 1, 2, 3. What's up? Hit the lead ball. Keep going. Good. And one.
Move it. Go now. Jonas. I'm gonna tell your father, Miss Sean. Les amis, my name is Troy Innocent. People think Tomo Bishop. Oh, Angassi. I'm from New Jersey. It's not another community in New Jersey. So, I like that. Qu'est-ce qu'il est venu ça pour ça? Oh! Yes, yeah. I want you guys to give it up for all the community that come up. The host, Chelo Zoboze, my friend. I don't like that. Oh. I want you guys to give it up for the community that come up. Yeah. Look for the Einstein community. Eh? Oh, yeah, bad. Les amis, essayez de la gâter, mon. Il a eu un petit. Ah, il y a un petit là. Let me tell you something. Kids now and the kids back in the days that we know is not the same thing. It's not the same thing. For Innocent, I had to learn the hard way. It's not the same thing. Let me tell you what happened to me. I have 2 daughters. Jessica Tamara. They go now. You must see my papi ici. They go now. You are going to when I first come here, in Haiti we have colored lesson. Here they have report card. It's confusing because in Haiti we do grade from 1 to 10. If you have 10 on 10, it's good job. You have 9 on 10, it's okay. You have 8 on 10, something more. But here they have letters. They have A plus B. Let me tell you what she did to me. She come home, she said, Daddy, I pass. My daughter, I'm smart, she's smart. She said, she passed. And I checked the report card. He said, English F. Gym F. Social study F. I said, good job. I said, yeah, because everything said the same thing. So when she said she passed, I knew something right, she passed. So I said, what the F stand for? She said, fantastic. I agree. The F is fantastic. That's okay. So I called my good friend Chelo in Miami. Is that me? Everybody give it up for Chelo one time. I said, Chelo. What's up, that doula? I'm getting one something from here. Yeah, I don't have no. Yes, I'm trained. Yes, yeah. I told you I don't have no dumb people in my family. Everybody's smart. She made me all F. Yeah. Everybody in my family do fantastic job. Fantastic. Aku sorang kita bakun yang sebut kembali komputer. Mudei dan tadi masa fantastik tadi sih. Mentei kembali mas. Di montão baik gaji. I come here, they usually play every song, but they don't play the Haitian song. How many of you guys know how to play Haitian song? You guys know the compa? Do you guys know what compa means? Do you guys know what gouye means from compa? DJ, berapa lah mungkin lah. Besok kita pilih setiap Haitian lover, mungkin Haitian lover nanti kita bisa oh, saya tak faham situ bagi gue Haitian lover. Sampai besok mau mesti dia buyat, pukul wajib buyat ni. Yeah. Dan ada pokoknya to talk about Haiti. This is the Haitian event. A lot of people come in, nobody talk about Haiti. I'm from Haiti, I go up, I go to school in Haiti, I'm gonna tell you about Haiti. In Haiti, we have a dance called Compa. Compa, some nasty people take the word bouillon and they put it in Compa. And I have no choice but to make do with it. And I have to learn how to do it. So let me want to do that. Don't do it well. You cannot do that in front of your Haitian parents. On si vous mettez pour lui que là ça dit pas faut seul côté. Frère, hein. Sou mundo da sou mundo que là ça dit donc. What do you expect? Mes amis, this is my first time coming to Brooklyn. I will never come back to Brooklyn. There is no parking, parking. There is traffic everywhere. Traffic. Eh? Anybody from New Jersey? I get mine. So morning. This is the best place to be, New Jersey. Until he said, no one, New Jersey. The place called no one, New Jersey. We call it downtown. Don't ever go to New York, New Jersey. They will swipe your card without you having your card. It's not possible, but they do it in New Jersey. So if people in New York, New Jersey, they thief. They thief. They will take your milk out of your coffee. That's how much they thief they are. But people in New York, New Jersey, I love them. They gangster people, they keep me safe. Yeah, let me tell you what happened one time. I'm walking downtown New York. I'm walking like that. I'm lost. I lost my bus. Get 25. And the guy called to me. He said, "Hi, Grandma, how you doing?" Yeah, I'm good. But I have to watch. Yeah, I have to watch because I don't trust him. He said, "Do you have 50 cents?" But I have $5. If I pull out $5, he's gonna take everything. He's gonna pull. I'm not gonna have nothing to get home. So I said, "I don't have nothing." He said, "You don't have nothing. Why you wait for the bus?" From my single marché la caille. From my single marché. My single marché. By the shop. No one is in the West Bay City. Woman. But Benjamin. Woman. By that BFN, I like the program you guys do for Haiti. I love it. The lady from Belgium. Come up one more time. A lot of people come, they don't see you. Please come up. We do a lot for us. I appreciate you. Madame Adamo. Yes. She doing a good program in Haiti. Thank you so much for your program. Yeah, thank you so much. Very much. Go ahead along. quanh tuổi. Đó là đừng là đẹp, không phải là đẹp không một phao. Chỉ có hơn tuổi. Vậy, Gowan, nous avons fait la guerre, on peut voir ce qu'il a. Mes amis, Papa Jim derrière, mes amis, big shout out to Papa Jim in the back, mes amis, puis on commence à faire un pilates, à faire un pilates dans la terre là. Vous comprenez? Ma performé, souci, ma performé. Punya si Facebook kan kawan cara lah, kalau kita pun dia orang boleh malah. Bobo touché. Ouais. Non, malah. Non, c'est quand il faut aller pas beaucoup. Au bouclier. Venez comme moi. Très bien. Voilà. Les amis, pour nous sommes là, capitaine, ça est pas. On va te merci à vous, les amis.